Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to allow an admin to remain anonymous in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, following the latest update. This feature is perfect for keeping your admin team discreet, so messages appear under the group's name instead of the admin's personal account. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your computer and log in. Once you're in, find and open the group where you have admin rights. Look to the top of the chat window and click on the group's name. This will open the group's profile page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Next, find the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol, and click on it. This takes you into the group's settings, where you can manage everything from the group photo to permissions. Now, look for the section labeled Administrators. Click on it to view the list of all current admins in the group. Find the admin whose anonymity you want to enable, this can be yourself or another admin, and click on their name. You'll now see a list of permissions and options for that admin. Scroll down until you see the option called Remain Anonymous. Toggle this switch on. Once enabled, this setting ensures that any messages the admin sends will appear under the group name and photo, not their personal profile. They'll also be hidden from the group's member list, making their admin status invisible to regular members. Only other admins will know who is truly managing the group, providing an extra layer of privacy and security. Don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. The selected admin will now remain anonymous whenever they interact in the group. This feature is especially useful for large communities, public groups, or when you want to protect the privacy of your admin team. With just a few clicks, you can ensure your group runs smoothly while keeping your admin's identities under wraps. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips to make the most of your Telegram experience.